Welcome back to our channel where we explore the exciting world of Unreal Engine. Today we have a special episode for you as we dive into the art of creating screenshots. For those of you that are new to Unreal Engine, screenshots are images that can be quickly created to capture in-game moments or for sharing the progress of your project on social media. This video is going to cover the multiple ways that screenshots can be created. So let's jump right in. Let's take a closer look at how Unreal Engine's built-in screenshot functionality can be used to create screenshots. This method is great for quickly capturing a snapshot image of your current viewport scene. First, navigate to the scene or location you want to capture. Make sure your camera is positioned correctly and that everything is set up the way you want it to appear in the screenshot. We recommend using bookmarks to quickly jump to different scenes or locations. For more information about creating and using bookmarks, check out our bookmark tutorial video. Before we take a screenshot, go into the Viewport Options menu and enable Game View Mode, which causes the viewport to display the scene as it would appear in the game. This means that none of the editor-specific elements, such as your actor icons, are displayed in the scene. You'll notice that there is a letter G hotkey available that you can press on your keyboard to toggle Game View Mode on and off at any time. Now enable Immersive Mode, which will put the editor into full screen mode using the size and resolution of your display monitor. The F11 key on your keyboard is a hotkey that you can use at any time to toggle between full screen mode and the normal viewport size. To capture the screenshot, press the F9 key on your keyboard. After creating the screenshot, a message will be displayed enabling you to click on the link to the folder where the screenshot was saved. By default, Unreal Engine automatically saves the screenshot in the PNG format. If you miss clicking on the link, you can always find the screenshot in your project's directory under the Saved, Screenshots, Windows Editor folder. Please note that the size and resolution of your viewport will determine the size and resolution of your screenshot. A second method of taking screenshots is by using Unreal Engine's High-Resolution Screenshot tool. Go into the Viewport Options menu and select High-Resolution Screenshot. A dialog box will appear offering various customization options. In this video, we're just focusing on the screenshot size multiplier setting. A screenshot size multiplier of 1 means that the image created will be the same size as the current viewport size. In this example, my viewport size is set to 3840 by 2160 pixels per inch. A screenshot size multiplier of 2 means that the image created will be twice that of the current display size. In this example, 2 would generate an image of 7680 by 4320 pixels per inch. Let's set it at 2. Note that higher values may generate a warning message that large multipliers may cause your graphics driver to crash. With the screenshot size multiplier set to 2, click on the Capture button and Unreal Engine will take a snapshot of the scene at the specified multiplier. Depending on your system's capabilities and the complexity of the scene, this snapshot process may take a few moments or even longer for highly detailed or complex environments. It's essential to be patient during this time and avoid making any changes to the scene or camera position to ensure the accuracy of the final screenshot. The engine will display a message when the screenshot has been created and saved in your screenshots folder. In addition to creating high-resolution screenshots via the dialog window, you can also capture high-resolution screenshots using the in-engine command High-Res Shot, which you can use in full-screen mode or when you're in the regular viewport mode. Let me walk you through this method. Open the console by pressing the tilde key and then type in High-Res Shot space 1. Press Enter, and the engine will generate a screenshot using your current viewport settings. You can adjust the resolution and aspect ratio of the screenshot by adding parameters to the high-res shot command. Let's go back to the regular viewport mode. Go to the command console, and if you want a specific resolution, you can type high-res shot 3840 by 2160 to capture a screenshot at a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. There are a lot of other parameters associated with the high-res shot command, and I've placed a link to the Unreal Engine documentation for the high-res shot command in the description below. And just when you thought we were done, there's yet another way to invoke the high-res shot command, and that's in code. Say you want to take a screenshot when a certain action occurs during the playing of your game. All you need to do is add the execute command node to your blueprint when you want the screenshot to be taken and specify the high-res shot command with the parameters you want to use. Here's a blueprint code example from a pinball game that takes a screenshot after a bumper has been hit and the visual effects have been displayed. And that was the last tip of this tutorial. You've now learned multiple ways to capture screenshots in Unreal Engine. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Unreal Engine tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode as we continue to explore the incredible features and possibilities of Unreal Engine.